Hey everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and guess what? It's our favorite time of the month. It is time for our sinking funds update. I have a lot of sinking funds, so let's go ahead and get started. If you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all in just a little bit. All right, y'all, let's get going. So this one, I got my lovely dry erase. I've got my stuff that's starting to kind of erase, but if you keep it moving, it's going, it's fine. I'm gonna bring y'all down just, if I can, just a little bit. Okay. Is that too much, you think? Yeah, that's good. Okay. All right. Let's get going. We've got our envelopes here. We have our first section. We'll pull those out. And okay. So we have Mom and Dad's anniversary, our lovely purple envelope. That was in February, so now we are just starting on 2022, but we've got some money in there already. They're getting $3. So 1, 2, 3. We're adding that to the 15 that they already have. And I'll set this here so we can see a little bit easier. Adding that to the 15 that they already have, as you can see right there. Making that 18. And here we go. I'll go ahead and leave that little marker that says 2020 in there. 2022. Oh my goodness, y'all. 2022 already. We'll set that to the side. 18. Then we get Mom and Dad's B-Days just passed, 14th and the 18th in March. So we're getting started on their next year so that we can have that money set aside. They're going to get $3 as well. So that takes that 6 that they already had. 7, 8, 9 for Mom. Oh, and y'all, I went and got a whole bunch of ones because I said I can't be doing this anymore. I need to have some ones. And then Dad gets 3 as well. He's got 6. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this should be enough ones where now I can just make change when I need to, but I was struggling. Put a 9 and a 9 for them. Mom and Dad, Mother's Day, Father's Day. I just put $2 away, y'all, and then you know me. Honestly, I just be sending them money because they do what they want. They got everything they need. What they really want is they want me to come home and see them. But in this pandemic, we do what we can. So they're up to 22, 23 now. And I should really count that to make sure that it's right. Let's do that. 20, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Good. We are where we are supposed to be. Okay. So we can set that aside. And last but not least is my sister's birthday. She should be at 18, and we're going to add 3 to hers. That's the cat playing in the background if you can't tell. So we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Did I say she was going to be at 23? No, okay, that was the previous one. Yeah, I'm telling y'all. It's been a long, long week. So sister is now at 21. All right, so that is that section. Also, y'all like the new envelope? Just made that a couple of weeks ago and introduced it to the gang. So we will put this back into our holder for everything to be nice and organized. All right, let's pull out our next section. And our next section we have 4 more. We have 4th of July / Juneteenth, Thanksgiving, Christmas and New Year's. So I'll set that up here. 4th of July / Juneteenth gets $2. So that'll put us at 22. As you can see, we have a 10 and a 10. 2 more, 22. Then we have Thanksgiving, which gets 15. Y'all, you know how I didn't go home last Thanksgiving? I'm telling y'all. Might not make it again. We gonna have to see. Because I'll go home for Christmas, but I'm about to be like, yo, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Ooh, let me update. Juneteenth, 22. Thanksgiving should have had 100, so we should be at 115. Let's see if we're right. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15. 115. Whoop, whoop. The money that I put aside for Thanksgiving also includes enough money to be able to drive home for gas. I factor that into food and gas and like anything else I feel like I might need because I don't want to get got, y'all. I want to have enough. I don't want to have to pull or be short or anything like that. So 115 for Thanksgiving. All right. Christmas should be at 105. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Is that right? Did I pull out Christmas? Yeah. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 115. We're going to set this here for a second. Because I'm like, that's real off. And we're going to go see about New Year's. Unless like I did something or put something in there and wasn't counting. New Year's I just put aside $1. So this is this New Year. It's already done. We're at 2023. So 1, 2, 3. We're 4 now. And this is because I know I could just supplement this. It's not super, super important. I'll make it work. We will mark that as 4. Okay, I'm going to leave these out because they make me nervous. And we're going to move to our last section. We're going to do these in 2 parts now. I must have something going on here, right? Right, y'all? I'm not confused. I'm not confuzzled. Y'all are probably like, you're confused, Camila. Well, maybe I am. We have 4 more sections, 4 more envelopes to go, and then we'll be done. And we'll figure out what's going on with Christmas. Spring equinox. So I have so many spring equinoxes done. We are at, well, see, this is for 2021, which spring equinox is tomorrow when I'm filming this. So here is what I have left for 2021. Here's what we have for 2022, which is already done. We're working on 2023. Which we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, and we'll add 3 to that. So 1, 2, 3. And I think I might need to get change, so I will go ahead and trade out one of these 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that back and we'll trade that for this. So now we have 21 for 2023. I think it's one of the things I really enjoy the most about sinking funds is that like you can just keep going. You just keep adding, you just keep letting them grow. And then it just really helps you so that you feel like you're making some really good progress. 21 for spring. 2023. Summer gets 3 as well. Everyone gets 3. Everything gets $3 in my world. We've got 2021 right here. We've got 2022. That's almost done. So we are working on that one. And we'll be adding 3. 1, 2, 3. And so here is $3 to go towards that. Let's set that to the side so we can count it. we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 for 2022 summer solstice. Okay, set that one to the side. Oop, forgot to put in the 2021. Okay. Do you all save up like per year? Do you just put the money in there and then figure it out? I like doing it that way, but I don't know if it's the most efficient. I know it's not. I know it's not. Y'all don't have to tell me it's not. Spring equinox or fall equinox. We have 2021 right here, so we'll set 2021 to the side. We're working on 2022. We have 20, 5, and 6, so 26. We're adding 3, so we're almost done with 2022 for fall. Because we're at 29 now, so 20, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. We'll put that away. Also, it's so nice that now it's later in the day and it's not all super dark. Whoop, whoop. Next month we will finish up 2022 and we started on 2023. And our last but not least, we have our 3 ones for winter solstice. So we do have that 20 for Christmas. I don't know what's going on in Christmas, y'all. I don't know where that money came from. I'm a little confused. Here's 2021. We've got that $30. Working on 2022. We've got $7. We're going to go ahead and add another 3, and that's going to give us $10. Which is lovely. We love to see it. We'll go ahead and put that away. In our winter solstice envelope. So there you have it. We have $10 there. Okay, so I guess we're back to Christmas and figuring out what happened with Christmas. I don't know why that money is so much. It should be $125. It is not $125. Christmas should be $125 is where we should be at now. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. This would make it, I feel like I'm not counting it right, y'all. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, and 135. Is that right? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135. I'm off by $20. I don't know why. I'm going to put that away, but I'm going to keep an eye on that. I wonder if, I don't know. I'm going to make sure everything else adds up. Everything else did add up so far, so we shall see. But that's it, everybody. That's it for the Singing Funds. I actually have more cash stuffing to do, so I'll be back in the next video for that. But if you enjoy videos about budgeting, if you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe for more. I will see you all later. Have a great one. Bye.
You